Hello students, today is the continuation of last class, trigonometric angles. Today 7.5 degrees and 82.5 degrees we will see these two angles of trigonometric ratios. Theta is equal to 7.5 degrees. Theta is equal to 7.5 degrees. So first you take sine 7.5 degrees. So I am going to use cos 2a formula. Cos 2 theta formula is equal to, in terms of sine I am going to write 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So cos 2 theta y I am taking 2 into 7.5 will become 15 degrees. Sin 15, cos 15, tan 15 already we find. Using that formulas, we will derive this 7.5 values of trigonometric ratios. So now this can be written as sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 whole root. So now I am applying this formula. So now see, under root 1 minus cos 2 into 7.5 by 2. Okay. Now 1 minus 7.5 into 2, it will become cos 15 degrees divided by 2. So now we already find the cos 15 degrees value. What is the cos 15 degrees value? Sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Using this formulas, we will substitute here and find remaining values. So cos 15 and sin 15. So now substitute cos 15 value. 1 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole divided by 2. That will become LCM you take 2 root 2 into 1. 2 root 2 minus, if you remove bracket, minus root 3 minus into plus minus 1 whole divided by, these two also comes up. So 2 to the 4 root 2 under root. Okay. Now numerator and denominator you have to multiply with root 2. So what we get here? If you multiply numerator and denominator by root 2, to simplify this root 2 value. So that means this one becomes root 2 into root 2 whole square minus root 6 minus root 2 whole divided by 2 into root 2 whole square. What I did here? Numerator and denominator I am multiplied with root 2. So here it becomes root 2 whole square, root 2 into root 3, root 6 minus root 2 here, root 2 square. So now simplify, root 2 square gets cancelled, here also gets cancelled. So this one 2 to the 4 minus 6 minus root 2 divided by root 8. Okay. Any doubt here? Again, total equation I am going to multiply and divide by 2. So 2 into 4 minus root 6 minus root 2 divided by 2 into 8. So this one become 8 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 divided by 16. Root 16 will become 4. So that means value is 8 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 under root divided by 4. Square root of 16 is 4. So this is the value of Sine 7.5 degrees. So next we will find cos 7.5 degrees formula. So this one you write sine 7.5 degrees is equal to under root 8 minus root 2 into root 6 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by 4. So next we will do cos. Next we will do cos 7.5 degrees. I am going to drop this one. For cos 7.5 degree also we will use cos 2a formula. That is cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos. In terms of cos. Second one, cos 7.5 degrees. Here cos 2a in terms of cos we will write. In terms of cos, what we get? 2 cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta minus. So cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 total under root. Apply that formula. 1 plus cos 2 into 7.5 degrees divided by 2 total under root. 1 plus cos 15 degrees by 2. 1 plus cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by 2. Okay. So now simplify this one. Root 2 root 2 into 1. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 4 into root. 2 to the 4 into root. Total under root. So again we have to multiply this with root 2 into 2. Root 2 into 2 numerator and denominator. 2 root 2 in numerator plus root 6 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2 into 4 root 2. Okay. So that one becomes 2 to the 4, root 2 into root 2, 2. 4 into 2. Next here 2 into this one root 3, no? Here root 3, not root 6. 2 into root 6 comes. Finally we get 2 root 2 divided by 8. Root 2 into root 2, 2 will come. So this one becomes 8 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by 16. What is the value of root 16 value? Root 16 value is 4. So that means final answer 8 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. No? This is the cos 7.5 degrees value. Cos 7.5 degrees value. Under root 8 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 divided by 4. Okay? Copy it. Next we will find tan 7.5 degrees. Tan 7.5 degrees. Which formula you have to use for tan 7.5 degrees? It is better to use the formula should get in the form of 2 theta, so that we can make 7.5 into 15 degrees. We can easily convert 15 degrees into 7.5 into 15 degrees. 15 degrees value already we derived, that values we can easily substitute. So before that we will see one formula here. Tan theta. Tan theta. In terms of 2 theta we will write. So you see 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. So now carefully observe 1 minus cos 2 theta can be converted into in terms of sin. So in terms of sin, if you write means 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here sin 2 theta formula. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now simplify it. 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 sin theta into cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So what left behind? 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta into cos theta. 1 sin theta and 2 also gets cancelled. What left behind? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, no? It is nothing but tan. Therefore, I am going to write tan theta in the form of cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta. So that we can make 7.5 to 15 degrees. We are converting 7.5 degrees to 15 degrees. So let us convert this one. So third one, tan 7.5 degrees. What form I am using? 1 minus cos 2 into 7.5 degrees, 2 theta, divided by cos 2 into 7.5 degrees. Not sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 7.5 degrees. So this one becomes 1 minus cos 15 degrees divided by sin 15 degrees. We already know sin 15 and cos 15 degrees values. Substitute those values. If we substitute, what we get? 1 minus cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next is sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Next step, LCM you have to take 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. If you keep bracket means if you multiply with minus, plus into minus, minus. Plus minus into plus, minus will come. Whole divided by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1, 2 root 2. Here which one gets cancelled here? These two gets cancelled. These two gets cancelled. Remaining things we have to write. Working step behind here. Two root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor of denominator root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Okay. So now multiply these two and these two. 2 into 2 root 3 into 2 root 2 into root 3. That will become 2 root 6. Next minus into plus minus root 3 into root 3 whole square minus into plus minus root 3. Next plus 1 into this total 3 times. Same thing you will get. Plus 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. Whole divided by, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. So this one become, carefully observe here. Here 2 root 3 is having, here root 6 only 1 having, 2 root 6. This one become minus 3, root 2 square gets cancelled. Root 3 is we have 2 root 3. 2 into root 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 1. Whole divided by Root 2 square gets cancelled. 3 minus 1 will get. So finally what we get here? 2 root 6. 2 root 6 minus 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Here you see minus 3 minus 1 will become minus 4. And whole divided by what will get? 3 minus 1. 2 will get. Okay. So now above we can take out the 2 common and cancel both sides. So now I am going to write here. Shall I write this? What is common in numerator? 2 is common. If you take out 2 common, what will get? If you take out 2 common from numerator, what left behind? Root 6 minus root 3 plus root 2 minus 2 divided by 2 gets cancelled. Okay. So from this, what I am going to take means from these 2 I am going to take out root 3 common. Root 3 common. If you take out root 3 common, what will left behind? Root 2 minus 1 left behind. From this 2, I am going to take out minus root 2 common. Minus root 2 means this one become minus, this one become plus. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So, root 2 minus 1 left behind. From these 2, what is the common term? From these 2, what is the common? Root 2 minus 1. So, if we take out root 2 minus 1, root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. This is the tan 7.5 degrees value. Okay, clear? Next we will find cot 7.5 degrees. Tan 7.5 degrees formula is root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay. Next we will find cot 7.5. Write down this one. Finish. Cot 7.5 degrees. Fourth one. Cot 7.5. It is reciprocal of tan. 1 by tan 7.5 degrees. That means 1 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor of denominator. Rationalizing factor of denominator. So what will you get if you multiply with rationalizing factor of denominator? Okay. Now multiply with rationalizing factors. What are the rationalizing factors? Root 3 minus root 2, root 2 minus 1, rationalizing factor, root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Next, rationalizing factor of root 2 minus 1 is root 2 plus 1. Same thing you multiply in denominator. Both will cancel, so you will get no change. We did no change. Both will cancel, you get same thing. So, numerator remains as it is. Keep numerator as it is. No change in numerator. In denominator, we have formula a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Apply that one. Root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square into this one. Root 2 whole square minus 1 square. So that will become, finally what you get? Root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus root 1 divided by 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1 will get. So final what you get? Root 3 plus 2 into root 2 plus 1. This is 1, this is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Same thing will get. So therefore, tan 7.5 degrees over cot 7.5 degrees also we finish. So cot 7.5 degrees. What you get here? Root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, 90 minus 7.5 degrees. 90 minus 700 degrees. That is 82.5 degrees. Now we are going to find 82.5 degrees of sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay. 82.5 degrees. We are going to find 82.5 degrees. Theta is equal to 82.5 degrees. Okay. Now I am going to drop this one. So sine 82.5 degrees, first we will write. What is the sine 82.5 degrees? Sine 82.5 degrees. This can be written as 90 minus theta. 90 minus 7.5 degrees. Sine 90 minus 7.5 degrees is nothing but 82.5 degrees. So that will become 90 minus means it falls in first quadrant and also operating on y axis. So sine become cos 7.5 degrees. What is cos 7.5 degrees value? Already we solved that one now. So under root 8 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 all divided by 4. Okay, clear? Next, sixth one, cos 8.5 degrees. So cos 8.5 degrees, this also we can write cos 90 minus 7.5 degrees. Cos 90 minus 7.5 degrees. So it also falls in first quadrant. It is operating on y-axis. The ratio changes. Cos to sin 7.5 degrees we get. Sin 7.5 degrees already we find now. Under root 8 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 all divided by 4. Okay. Next, seventh one, tan 88.5 degrees. For tan 88.5 degrees also we can write tan 90 minus 7.5 degrees. 90 minus 7.5 degrees means, so it is falls in first quadrant. So plus sign only will get. It is operating on y-axis. Tan converted into cot 7.5 degrees. What is cot 7.5 degrees? Here we got that one unit. Already we find now root 3 plus 2 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. Next one. 8th one. Cot 88.5 degrees. So cot 88.5 degrees can be written as cot 90 degrees minus 7.5 degrees. So this falls in first quadrant and also operating on y-axis. Cot will become tan 7.5 degrees. What is tan 7.5 degrees? Root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, clear? So these are the tan, cot, cos, sin 7.5 degrees and 82.5 degrees. Okay. Now you can make table also for this. Table we can make this for this one. Finish now. So that means tan 7.5 degrees is equal to cot 88.5 degrees. Next, cot 7.5 degrees is equal to tan 88.5 degrees. Cos 88.5 degrees is equal to, this is cos 88.5 degrees is equal to tan 7.5 degrees. Next, sin 88.5 degrees is equal to cos 7.5 degrees. Okay? Finish. Right. Next, we will make a table of this one. We will put all those things in table. First, we take ratios in one column. Ratios in one column. And theta, angle in another column. So, ratios what you are taking? Sine first. Sine theta. Next, cos theta. Next, tan theta. Finally, cot theta. Okay? So, carefully observe. Here we take 7.5 degrees. Here 88.5 degrees. Theta value. Now first sine 7.5 degrees. Already we got now. That means 8 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 under root whole divided by 4. Next sine 88.5 degrees. So root under root 8 plus 2 root 2, 2 root 6. 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by 4. Okay. Next, we will write cos 7.5 degrees. So cos 7.5 degrees, same thing you will get it. 8 under root 8, 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 whole root divided by 4. Next, cos 88.5 degrees. Cos 88 is nothing but sine 7.5 degrees. So this one only get whole root under root 8 minus 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 whole divided by 4. Next, tan 7.5 degrees. So root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Next, tan 88.5 degrees. So this is equal to tan 88.5 degrees is equal to cot tan 88.5 degrees is equal to cot 7.5 degrees. So whatever we have cot 7.5 degrees, that is I have to write here. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, cot 7.5 degrees. Cot 7.5 degrees. Cot 7.5 degrees we see. Cot 7.5 degrees. What is that one? Same thing you will get. Root 3 plus root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Okay. Next, cot 88.5 degrees. Cot 88.5 degrees is nothing but tan 7.5 degrees. So same thing will come. Root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay. This table you have to derive just now. You have to remember this table. Clear any doubt? Complete.